everyone, in this video we will see how to get a JetBlue boarding pass online. The JetBlue app reviews your upcoming trip. With this option, you can also save your boarding pass to your Apple Wallet for easy access. To do so, download the free JetBlue app to access your self-scannable boarding pass. Now fill out your information on the Manage Trips page, hit enter to go to My Booking page. Then use the Get Boarding Pass option at the bottom of your My Booking page to view and print your boarding pass. At the airport, print your boarding pass at the kiosk or ticket counter. Now check in with JetBlue or the partner airline, whichever is the first flight on your itinerary. For third-party bookings, use the same check-in options to access your boarding pass. Connecting flight boarding passes are issued via app, email, or at the airport. When you check in, you have seat assignments on both segments of your flight. If you are placed on the standby list for the first flight, you will only receive the first segment boarding pass. When you are issued a seat assignment for that segment, that will prompt the connecting boarding pass to print too. For group bookings, you are required to check in at the ticket counter with an airport crew member. All boarding passes will be issued at that time. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.